Let us do another example. Let us say that this is the situation given and we have to make free body diagram of this situation. So we have two blocks, one bigger block of mass capital M and one smaller block of mass small m. So first, to make free body diagram, we should first write all the forces here. So for bigger block, there will be a normal force in the downward direction. We will replace it with mg later on. A reactionary force N1 in upward direction. Then from this smaller m, now if this situation is there and suppose the system is not in equilibrium, suppose smaller m is moving in downward direction, so as the smaller m moves down, the capital M will move towards the wall. As it is down, it is attached with the pulley, so this entire block will be pulled towards the wall. That means the bigger block will apply a force on the smaller block M in this direction. So if this is the force applied by the bigger block N2, then M1, then M will apply a reactionary force in this direction, which will be same as N2. Now in the strings, because of this M, there will be mg in downward direction. Because of this mg, there will be a tension created from this point of contact, away from this point of contact, in t direction. Now we have another point of contact here, so in this direction, in downward direction also, there will be a t. From this point of contact, we can draw all the tensions away from the point of contacts, and since this is a single string and we will consider this string as ideal, so the tension will be same in the entire string. So these will be all the forces that are in this system. Now if we have to make free body diagram, then let us say free body diagram of capital M first. Now mg in downward direction, and there is a reactionary force N1 in upward direction. Then there is N2 applied by small m on the capital M, which is in this direction. And we always remember that during the free body diagram, during making of free body diagram, we always consider the forces applied on the body. So since this N2 is applied on the body, this N2 is applied by this body, so we are going to consider only this N2. So we made this here. Now on bigger block, there are several tensions. Now these two pulleys and this point of contact, they are all attached to the bigger block. They are all attached to capital M. So if there are any forces on these point of contacts, then these forces will be experienced by the bigger block also. So these forces, this T, this one and this one, all of them are attached to the bigger block, and they are pulling the bigger block in this direction. So we have 1, 2, 3 and 4 T tension in this direction. So this will be the free body diagram of the bigger block. Similarly, if we make the free body diagram of small m, then there is mg in downward direction, there is N2 in this direction, so we will have N2 here. Then we have, from this point of contact, one tension is in this direction, in upward direction, so this will be the value of, this will be the free body diagram of the smaller angle, the smaller body.